This video will show you how to attach the lever handle to a Fluid one-piece toilet. The lever handle is included in the Fluid one-piece toilet box. Remove the wing nut bolt and the two washers from the handle. Making sure that the lever handle is facing the front of the tank, place the handle into the side hole. The small rib on the shaft of the lever must be pointing upwards. Place the black rubber washer and then the white washer and wing nut over the handle assembly, and then tighten the wing nut by hand. Now you will need to attach the handle cable box by aligning the rib on the handle assembly with the slot on the cable box outer nut. Before you tighten it, make sure that the cable isn't interfering with the outlet valve. It should be placed beside the valve. While you are holding up the handle, tighten the nut toward the front of the tank. It's important that you hold the handle up while tightening, otherwise you will tighten it into a downward position. Remember, this is a dual flush, high-efficiency toilet. You push the handle downward for a full flush and upward for a reduced flush. If you would like to see the written instructions, the link is included in our video description below. For more product information, please check out the Sustainable Solutions website at sustainablesolutions.com. You can also contact our customer service team at 1-800-460-7019 or by email at help@sustainablesolutions.com.